Okay, back again. Just get closer to the birds. Yeah, back here. Right, now close. Sorry, I don't have a tripod to keep an eye on that little cute scene of birds. Oh, I just here for this event of birds. Never mind humans' troubles. This is the best bird event, so I don't want to miss this. Like 100% don't want to miss this. Don't want any notification bothering me. This is the best event ever. A bird event, if I must say. I remember it always gathers like that. Hopefully I don't sit entirely. No. I should stand right here. Right here, yeah. Definitely gonna post this on YouTube, even though I don't have any channels going on there. Phone went off because space time, and I hate that shit so much, y'all. Oh, sorry about that again. Hate it when I have shaky hands. I know the camera's not clear as it should be. Okay, silently watching. Wish I could watch this in my binoculars, but yeah, I can definitely lean against the wall for this one. Oh, all the birds are gathering together. Oh, no. Oh, all of them are all together at once. Yay. Though the camera's not gonna check clearly. That's the main. More birds gathering. Okay, that's good. when I was up close, I would film every single bird gathering day, yo. I think it's like a particular part of the year where they just gather like this. But it's so amazing when they all fly together, yo. Oh, they're doing it, they're doing it. Ah! Ooh, 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 ooh. Where are they flying to? Need to see where are they flying to. There they go. Oh my gosh.